Hello guys, welcome to this video. In today's video, we'll be solving the 2025 Jamb maths pass question. Now the number one question says, from the diagram above, find the area of the triangle PQR. Now, if you look at this problem, if we tilt the triangle in a way that we can get the height and the base from the triangle, it will be easier for us to solve. Now let's tilt the triangle. So we'll have P Q and R. So here is 11 centimeter, here is 9 centimeter, here is 13 centimeter. So using the area of triangle PQR is half base times height. So now we have tilted it. It's now easier for us to get the base and the height of the triangle. Now the base of the triangle is line QR, which is 11 centimeter plus 9 centimeter. That's 20 centimeter. While the height is 13 centimeter. So this goes here, we have 10. So our area is 130 centimeter square. That is option C. Now we move to the second question. It says, find the number of permutations of the letters of the word school. So since this, when we talk about permutation, we talk about arrangement of letters or objects. So looking at the letters in the word school, X, S, C, H, O, O, L. So O appeared 2 times. So we are going to use the formula for permutation. N factorial all over K factorial. Because O appeared 2 times, we use this formula. So N represents the total letters, while K represents the number of O that appeared 2 times. So if we had another letter, let's say L appeared 2 times, it's going to now be N factorial all over K factorial, K factorial. So the first K is representing the O, number of O, while the second K is representing the number of L that appeared. So how many letters are in the word school? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 letters. So we have 6 factorial all over. How many O's appeared in the letter school? There are 2 O's. So we have 2 factorial. Now 6 factorial is 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. While 2 factorial is 2 times 1. So this can cancel this. So we have 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 is going to be giving us, we'll be having 360 ways. So we have 360 ways of arranging the letters in the word school. So our answer is option B. Now the third question says the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is equivalent to. Now when we talk about equivalent sets are sets that have the same elements. So let's check if these sets, the sets listed here, have the same elements with this set, the same number of elements and the same elements. So we have 2, 3, 1, 4. 5 is not there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 5. So all the elements are listed, but 5 appeared twice. So this is not it. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. There is no 5 in it. Here we have 4, 3, 1, 2, 5, 1, 5, 2. So this is the answer because it has the same elements and the same number of elements. Cos A is equal to 12 over 13. For 0 less than or equal to A less than or equal to 90 degrees, find tan A. So if we recall back, cos theta or any angle, cos A is the same as adjacent over hypotenuse, the angle A. Then cos A is adjacent over hypotenuse. So the adjacent is going to be here. So adjacent is 12, hypotenuse is 13. So what we are going to be looking for is this place. So for us to find here, we are going to use Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem says that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the adjacent and the square of the opposite. So the hypotenuse square is equal to the adjacent square plus the opposite square. So hypotenuse is 13 square is equal to the adjacent is 12 square plus the opposite. Let's call the opposite x square. So to find x, we are going to have x square is equal to, so 169 minus 12 square is 144. So our x square is equal to 25. That means our opposite is 5. Square root of 25. Now we have been able to find our opposite. We are now going to find tan A. What is tan A? Tan A is opposite over adjacent. So what is the opposite? So tan A, what is our opposite? 5 over our adjacent, which is 12. So our tan A is 5 over 12. Now going here, 5 over 12 is option A. The next question says, which of the following angles cannot be constructed using a protractor, a compass, and a sharpened pencil? Now, when constructing using a protractor, a compass, and a sharpened pencil, the angles that can be gotten are special angles, which are 45 degree, 30 degree, 15 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, and those are the special angles. So any angle that cannot be derived using the special angle, any angle that is not the special angle, cannot be constructed using these materials. So if we look here, 90 degrees is a special angle, 60 degrees is a special angle. So that means they can be constructed using these materials. But can 145 degree be constructed using these materials? Can 135 degree be constructed using these materials? Yes, 135 degree can be constructed because 135 degree is derived from 45 degree. So if this is 45 degree, the angle remaining here is 135 degree, making them sum up to give 180. So this is the answer. This cannot be constructed using these materials. So here we have the sixth question. It says simplify 125 raised to the power minus 1 over 3 times 49 raised to the power minus 1 over 2 times 10 raised to the power 0. So we are going to apply the laws of indices in solving this question. So solution for number 6. When we have a negative, we are going to reciprocate the number. So since we have negative, that is minus 1 over 3, we are going to be having 1 over 125 all raised to power 1 over 3 times, to convert the negative, we have 1 over 49 all raised to power 1 over 2. Any number raised to power 0 is 1. So 10 raised to power 0 is 1. So this is 1 over 3 is the same as, that is cube root of, so this is cube root of 125 times 1 over square root of 49 times 1. So cube root of 125 is 5. So 1 over 5 times square root of 49 is 7. 1 over 7 times 1. So this is going to give us 1 over 35. That is option A is the correct answer. So the seventh question says find the coordinates of the midpoints of line PQ given minus 3, 4 and Q 5, 6. So number 7. Now when you are looking for midpoints, what we are going to do, the formula we are going to use for midpoint. So midpoint is equal to 1 over 2 x1 plus x2 and 1 over 2 y1 plus y2. So here, this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. So using the formula, we have 1 over 2 into, what's our x1? Minus 3, plus what's our x2? 5, comma 1 over 2 into, what's our y1? 4, plus, what's our y2? 6. So this is going to give us 1 over 2 into 2, comma 1 over 2 into 10. So this is 1, 1, 5. So our answer is 1, 5, which is option D. So option D is the correct answer.